Gold futures, meanwhile, touching new records before moving lower as traders weigh that threat from tariffs. Goldman Sachs reiterating their bullish stance, saying it sees value in long gold. Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferré joins us now with more. Ines.
Yeah, Josh, Goldman Sachs saying go long gold with U.S. policy uncertainty and the scenario of tariff escalation. This reinforces that role of diversifying commodities in portfolios. Their top commodity pick is the yellow precious metal. Just to back up for a second, we are seeing that gold year to date is up 6%. Last year, we saw gold that was up 27% for the year, outperforming the S&P 500 last year. And this is because of what traders have called structural changes to the market. Central banks buying a lot more gold and greater flows into the physical backed gold ETFs. So after a lull over the summer last year, you saw that there was a big pickup in central gold buying in the fourth quarter of last year, and that was driven by the People's Bank of China. Now, why would tariff talk or the prospect of a tariff war send prices higher? That's because tariffs are very protectionist, and gold is also a protectionist safe haven. As central banks hoard more of it, more gold, perhaps they're trying to get away from the US dollar, you see prices going higher. I do also want to point out something else that's been happening recently in the physical markets. More shipments of gold from London to the US for fear that tariffs would increase the cost of gold imports. So the Bank of England usually holds the UK reserves. They also are a holder for commercial gold that's owned by banks and central banks around the world. So we have reports that large quantities of gold has been shipped here to the US, to the COMEX vault in New York, depleting London's reserve, delaying withdrawals over there. There's also an interesting arbitrage that is going on, and that is that the futures market in New York for gold has been higher than the spot market in London. So you have that arbitrage also increasing shipments here to the US, guys.